A few miles from what could be the location of the largest recycling facility in the nation, contractors and professionals came to learn more about this project and other contracting opportunities with Metropolitan. As part of the MetWorks program, an outreach effort to connect people to projects, Metropolitan and the Los Angeles County Sanitation District managers provided an overview of recent labor-related commitments and agreements, as well as a preview of upcoming contracting opportunities.
We are really trying to shorten that distance between us and our business partners. And we have a terrific business outreach department that does a great job helping us in engineering.
Participants in the workshop were briefed on important labor and construction priorities at Metropolitan, as well as upcoming contracting opportunities. Because the MetWorks program is about making connection, several resource tables were staffed by other public agencies, including LA County Sanitation Districts, Port of Long Beach, and the State Department of Water Resources. Metropolitan General Manager Adele Hodge-Khalil discussed Metropolitan's challenges and priorities reflected in recent board actions, like the pledge to be part of the National Movement for Equity in Infrastructure and the recently board-adopted landmark project labor agreements.
Met has embraced that vision of One Water, the vision of collaboration, the vision of smart water management, especially in a climate-changed environment.
Responding to climate-changed conditions informs many of Metropolitan's current and future-looking projects. These projects require a sustained involvement of the construction and professional communities, with a focus on drawing from local talent.
This project labor agreement is a 5-year commitment right now. It covers about 90% of the work of the capital program at Met, estimated a total nearly $1 billion over the next 5 years.
Transitioning to the focus of the day, Metropolitan Director Dennis Erdman addressed the partnership that Metropolitan hopes to further strengthen with the business and labor communities.
Today we're challenged to find new ways of bringing water and to serve the community. And responding to the climate change, the frequent droughts that we've got, it is a monumental challenge.
At the center of Metropolitan's Capital Improvement Program is John Bednarski, Manager of Engineering Services.
I have a team of 360 professionals and technical people that help us move the capital investment plan forward. But we can't do that work that's planned that Adele talked about and that you're going to hear about today without all of your contributions to that effort. We all come together as a team, both Metropolitan and the outside community, to make the water supply for this region complete.
Central to Metropolitan's plans to ensure greater water supply reliability is the Pure Water Southern California project, currently in the environmental planning phase. This partnership with the Los Angeles County Sanitation Districts would produce up to 150 million gallons of water daily when completed, and provide purified water for up to 15 million people. An overview of the alternative project delivery process and description of 21 upcoming projects for bid, large and small, rounded the program.
We're doing some amazing things, and I think Adele said it best, is that we've got to shorten that, right? We've got to shorten that experience and that relationship with all of you business owners